Recently, a foreign media sent a suspected Samsung Galaxy Note 10 specification which suggesting that this model will be different from the Galaxy S10 series in order to provide greater appeal than competing products such as iPhone XS Max and Huawei P30 Pro. Its configuration and appearance are obviously more powerful. According to the release of the Note series in previous years, we are getting closer and closer to the release of this phone. According to sources who asked not to be named, the Galaxy Note 10 will use a Super AMOLED display similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus, with a size of 6.6 or 6.66 inches, a resolution of 1440x40, a display of 16 million colors, and a screen ratio of over 89%. On the processor side, the Galaxy Note 10 is expected to offer the same SoC option as the Galaxy S10 series, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU plus Adreno 640 GPU, complemented by a standalone Snapdragon 1050 or X55 5G baseband. However, Qualcomm has previously announced that the first product to integrate the 5G baseband is not Samsung, so it may not be used on the Galaxy Note 10. For the rear camera, the Galaxy Note 10 will be on par with the Galaxy S10 5G version, offering a 12MP at f/1.5 plus 12MP at f/2.4 plus 16MP at f/2.2 lens combination and another time-of-flight to f sensor. These cameras are suitable for wide-angle, telephoto, super wide-angle, 3D scanning, support for optical image stabilization OIS, dual-pixel PDAF phase detection autofocus, and double optical zoom. The sensor size of the two 12MP cameras is 1/2.55 and 1/3.6. Pixel size 1.0 is for the front camera of the Galaxy Note 10. It may not be the same as that of the Galaxy S10 Plus, including a 10MP f/1.9 aperture at 26mm wide-angle lens, and an 8MP f/2.2 aperture at 22mm depth perception camera. In addition, the Galaxy Note 10 will be equipped with a new generation of S Pen stylus. Taking advantage of all the features provided by Galaxy Note 9, UL even introduced some new features. This video is from the United States Patent and Trademark Office USPTO, which describes a number of concepts related to Galaxy Note. Of course, the Galaxy Note 10, which was launched later this summer, will not necessarily be fulfilled. Earlier, Samsung was exposed to an interesting stylus built-in camera patent, but in terms of progress, it is unlikely to be used immediately on this year's Galaxy Note 10.